back to the farm. So in today's video guys, I want to show you some damage that the pigs have created on the farm. So over here we have the board section. This was some of the pens that we built first when we just started off last year, April. So right here we have a little pallet section where this durex so actually break down today. As you see, I put my foot up there and it was not sturdy at all, which means that if she uses force, she can literally break it down in seconds. So we're gonna definitely have to fix that up and get it work kind of as quick as possible. Yeah, so that's only one part guys, and also I was showing you guys the size of the pig and also to show that it's so easy for her to break it down. Over here she also break the sink off, and we just fixed this part the other day. As you can see in the other video where there's very big spray out. If you have not yet watched that video, you can go ahead and watch it. But yeah, she literally break the sink off this section guys. And her size again, as you can see, if there's a big gap there, she can break through if she want to break through. That is something that we're definitely gonna have to work on before she breaks out again. But before we left though, we managed to nail back the sink on just so that she came out before we left or during the night. So we're gonna have to do a big work day on this board apartment pen one of these days guys, because right now it is going slowly but surely, as you guys can see. Alright guys, so I was walking in the passage and I want to show you guys that this pallet gate guys, the sow eat it out, literally use her teeth to bite it right out guys. Like in a few days from now she'll be able to bite that front part there off as well. So I went around to show you guys it so you guys can see it better. Sorry, as you can see there's a big entire hole right there. If she just bites the front piece a little bit more, she'll be able to break through. This as well guys, we will be fixing very soon. Over this front pen as well guys, this other sow bites out her pallet gates as well, so we'll be working on that guys, because we don't want the pigs to be breaking out every time, because you know how pigs stay. As they get one little chance guys, they are going to take it, they're going to come out and they're going to make a mess. Alright, so this little diamond wire fence pen guys, this pig used her mouth to bite out a big hole, well not bite, sorry, to brace out a big hole in the entire fence. So we're going to have to use the next piece of diamond wire to kind of patch it up guys, sorry, so you know the hole doesn't get bigger and she break out. So yeah, so these are some of the major works that the pigs have created that we have to repair before they literally break out. And it has come to the end of the video guys. I hope you do enjoy, and if you do enjoy the video guys, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you and bye bye.